Ready to transform your car cleaning routine? Discover 5 must-have gadgets under $30 that will make your car sparkle and shine like never before. First up is the portable car vacuum cleaner. It offers powerful suction that handles everything from crumbs to pet hair effectively, though it could benefit from a longer battery life. Next, the microfiber cleaning cloth set stands out for its softness and ability to pick up dust without scratching surfaces. Key car detailing brush set excels at reaching tight spots, but the bristles may be a bit too stiff for more delicate areas. UV Sanitizer Wand is excellent for sanitizing your car's interior, but note that it's not suitable for use on fabrics. Finally, the tire cleaning brush is both durable and effective, though it should be rinsed after each use to maintain its condition. Whether you're tackling crumbs, dust, or tough stains, these tools will help you achieve a cleaner, fresher car. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tips.